Hello, YouTubers! I'm GameFan134, and welcome to another Minecraft Pixel Art tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to build an old school Bowser Jr. I filmed right beside the old school Bowser, and I had a request for this, so I went ahead and I built it. So what you need for this build is orange wool, white wool, lime wool, and black wool. Or if you want, you can use the concrete, but I'm using wool for this because it's easy for you guys to count. So once you find a place where you're going to build it, you can start off by, I'm going to build it right here. We're going to start off with placing one white wool, orange, two white, four orange. And then we go up on in, we're going to go three orange, one white, one orange, one white. Then we go on to the next layer. We're going to go two green, two orange, and three white. We have two overhanging like so. Next, we're going to go up on top of this right. We go two green, two white, two orange, and three green. And if you did everything right, it should line up over top of this white one. Now, moving on. We're going to go on top of this green. We're going to go black, two black like that, and two orange like that. So it looks like that. Now we're going to go the other way with two lime green, two orange, one white, two green, and two orange like that. Next we're going to go on top of this orange with one white, then one orange, and then two green, two white, two lime green, two orange, two black, one orange. No, two orange. Not one, make that two orange. And on top, we're going to go two orange, two black, three orange, one lime, one white, and five lime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on top, we're going to go two lime, two orange, two orange, one lime, one white, one lime, three orange. 1, 2, 3, one black, three orange. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to go up and diagonal by one and make that two. Like that. Then we're going to skip this one. We're going to go two orange, two green, three orange, one white, one lime, one orange, one white, and three lime green. And on top, we're going to go five lime green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One white. No. Two white. Two orange. Three green. And we're going to skip this one. Oops. Like that. And three orange. And one white. And if you've done everything correct so far, that's what it should look like. So now we're going to go up to our next layer. I'm going to go up and diagonal by one. We're going to keep that one. And we're going to go 6. 1. No. Dang it. Wrong layer. Yeah. We're going to take two lime greens we can do in this layer. Come on. One white. Two orange. Three green. Three white. Four lime. 1, 2, 3, 4. And two orange. And on top, one white, one orange, 6 lime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two white, one lime, two orange, and 5 lime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it should hang over one like that. Next, we're gonna go with a bit of orange. We're gonna go over one, and we're gonna put a white. And we're going to the white on the other side like that for his teeth. And then we're gonna go 3 lime, 1 white, 2 orange, 2 white, and 3 lime. 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna go 2 orange, orange on top, and a white. Like that. Then we're gonna skip 2 and put 2 white. And an orange. And no, lime. And then an orange. There. Then we're gonna go 3 lime, 1 white, 6 orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you've done it right, it should hang over. We're gonna go back to this side, be easier on this side. Then we're gonna go 2 lime, 2 orange, 1 lime, and 8 orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 9 orange. 9 orange blocks, I guess. Alright. Yeah, 9, that's right. And on top, we're gonna go back over here. We're gonna put 2 green, or 2 lime, and 12 orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then on top, we're gonna put a orange, black, 3 orange, 2 white, 2 lime, 2 orange, and 3 lime. And then on top, we're gonna go 6 lime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 white, 1 lime, skip 2, and go 2 orange, like that. Then on top, we're gonna go 1 lime, 2 white, and 5 lime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as with little herb pieces, we're gonna grab our orange, and we're gonna go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 1, like that. Next, we're gonna come in 1 in the orange, and we're gonna go 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Photo hangs by 1 under the green. Then we're gonna go 4 lime. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 white. Then we're gonna come in 1 on the white, and go 4 lime. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna skip 2 orange, or we can skip 2 and go 1, 2, and place 2 orange. Up by 1 of orange and make that 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is it. That's how you build an old school Bowser Jr. to go with your old school Bowser. So I'm gonna not that user interface. There. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you have any suggestions for me, please leave some in the comments below. And remember to like, comment, and rate. Let me try that again. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.